Are we ready?
Are we ready, silly?
No.
The seals over here are,
Because the cake is getting all kind of wax on it. Let's go.
1, 2, 3. Say happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Achilles.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tiara. Happy birthday to you.
Hold up. Go.
Get it.
Do it.
Come on. Of course he wasn't going to.
You did, I think.
But you know that's chocolate.
First cake.
Yeah.
Like, thank you, Mom.
Let's forget that piece, you know.
Can you grab it or no?
That she was stealing from the refrigerator every time I open it. Every time you open it, yeah, this Cuthbert had this kind of
Make sure you
piece.
said the name and there's a thank you, Achilles. Stop! Why are you in my face?
Alright, Lisa, alright. I got you already.
Alright, where's the gift that we didn't open? Since Achilles opened the first gift.
It's right there.
You know what's coming next? This is coming next.
Louis, let me say the right name.
Give it to Kiara. Say happy birthday.
Willie, Achilles, Millie Wangu.
What is it?
Achilles, Millie Wangu.
He's like, yo, you're going to say my name. Say it right.
And Achilles, Millie Wangu.
Tell him to spell it.
Let's open it. Come on. Oh, I can't spell it. Come on.
Mom said don't say nothing you can't spell.
He wouldn't talk.
Yeah, I wouldn't say anything.
He wouldn't talk.
It don't match. Ah. You ready? Pull it. Pull it off. Go ahead. Ah. Good. Yeah, there you go.
And they got an antenna.
She's getting used to this.
She's like, okay, I now know how to open it. It's not taped, I don't think so.
Okay. No, it's not. Go ahead. Come on, Bug.
What is it, honey?
All right. What you got?
Woo!
All right, Ladybug. Ladybug.
You're looking at it.
Pretty.
What you
Oh,
doing?
that's cute.
Look.
Oh,
Ladybug.
yes.
Ladybug.
Oh, that's cute.
What's the other one? All right, let's see the other one. Come on. Let's see what it is. Open it up.
A butterfly. See the
What you got
butterfly?
on there? What is that?
She wants to put it on.
What is that? What is that? Butterfly. Okay. See it?
Thanks,
Tell everybody your favorite word.
No, you can't have that.
Tell everybody your favorite word.
Sorry, Keith.
Tell them.
She said,
Dada. Dada. Tell them. That's our only word. Dada. Come on.
Say dada.
Thanks, Tam Love.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Do you like
Making
it?
her meat face. She's a rock star.